Hey Horse Friends, I'm Becca Salamone, and this is American Horse Talk Live. I'm coming to you live from Cavender's Hoover in Hoover, Alabama. They had their grand opening this weekend, and we had stopped by to find some rodeo queens, and here they are. And we've got one of the sponsors here, Miss Della Fry, and she's going to tell us a little bit about the group, and we're going to talk to each one of them individually. Della, tell us about these girls.
Yeah.
What is she doing? Honey Miss, Petite Miss, Little Miss, Junior Miss, and our Miss Rodeo. They range in age from 7 to 23. They hail from locally from Coleman, Alabama, Athens, and South Haven, Mississippi. These titles were earned, they were not given, and we would love to have any girl that would like to participate, just give us a call, and we'd be glad to help you.
Thank you so much. All right, Della says she wants to leave, so she's going to lead the shot. We're going to talk to these girls. Thank you, Miss Della. So, who wants to go first here?
I'll go first.
What is your name?
I'm Rachel Pearl Jackson, and I'm from South Haven, Mississippi.
Okay, so how did you get to the rodeo in Alabama?
So Miss Della contacted me for a few years, and I had prior obligations, and so when I was finally able to, I decided to come compete, and fortunate enough, I won the Miss Division.
That's awesome. So how old are you?
I just turned 23 this past month. We're in November now.
All right, so what do you do with horses?
So I grew up, and my parents have always rode. My dad was a cutting horse trainer. My mom rodeoed and ran barrels. So I grew up riding Western Pleasure and running barrels and poles, and then I got really involved in sports. So now that I'm done with college and done playing ball, I actually jump wagon race now.
Do you go to Red Little take one of the races?
Yes, I do. And I go to the nationals every year, so I run 4 up at the nationals, and I cook and butt for them.
That's so exciting. Because I really appreciate you, because that's a really fun sport.
It is, and people are very surprised that a rodeo queen,
Things you got tough. So you tell us a little bit about rodeo queen, things that you do, and why it is so tough.
Yeah. That's what I was
You have to know a lot of stuff about horses.
Yeah, and that's what it happened. You know, that he'd always wanted to be in the food business.
At first, I was pretty shy going into it.
Yeah,
And it took me a while to actually win a title. But I never gave up, and I finally won one.
How many years have you been doing this?
I've been doing this about 2 or 3 years.
Now, do most people that do this out as you, do they start out as barrel racers, or how do you get into this?
They don't usually start out. It's just kind of random. Like I was in a Cavender store when Miss Della came up to me asking me to do the pageant.
Really?
So, and I'm Ellie Lawrence, and I'm the junior Miss West Point.
Also, and you didn't tell me.
he was, still
I'm
getting
Caroline Wilson from Limestone, Cali, Alabama.
Now, the little ones up here, do y'all ride?
They're against that deal like you're saying.
What is your name?
Yeah, because they've been through the combat.
Molly. And what is your horse like?
Yeah.
Just got here.
That knocks a lot of people.
So you do barreling.
Yeah.
And do you do anything else with horses?
I train minis. I do arena race. I think
About doing rodeo. Awesome. So what do you think about being a rodeo horse? And is that what they call you? What do they call you?
You just feel good.
Well, you look like a rodeo queen. What do you think about being one?
I think it's kind of
You do, and so you travel around the southeast and everything.
In Oklahoma. And make 10%.
At least in Alabama,
And
right?
the sun came in, so I
And
guess
what
he's
about you?
sharing
What's
it
your
with me
name?
now. It's like off that line
And what
right
is your
there,
horse's
you see
name?
there. Some people,
And what do you do with
he's the
Dixie?
nicest guy, some people pick you. Super nice guy, the first one, Blackbird.
You do, and do you do barrels
I
too?
hadn't seen him in a while.
Now, what do you do specifically? Well, that's a great place to ride horses. So, what is your next goal? Are you trying to do Miss Rodeo USA?
So right now I'm kind of in the middle of deciding, so I am in the process of applying for PA school. So I just got a call back for an interview, and that further decides if I'm accepted or not. And so we're in between that and competing for Rodeo USA. So it's a toss-up. So we'll see. I'll be surprised just as everybody else is.
And is Miss Rodeo USA, is that the highest level?
Correct. So for Rodeo USA is for the IFR and the IPRA sanction. So that's in Oklahoma in June.
Awesome. So where can we see you next? Where are you going next?
Tomorrow, some of our girls are going to Winnie Wisdom, and that is in Alabama. What is it?
It's in Hartsville.
Hartsville. Yes, ma'am. So after that, it's just kind of, sometimes we go wherever we can. Like last night, I was in Dublin, Georgia, and I carried the flag. So sometimes we have a group event, and sometimes the girls just go wherever they can.
Okay, and what is Winnie Wisdom? Do you know?
I know.
You know.
It's a store in downtown Hartsville, and it has like all kinds of Western stuff and horse stuff.
So it's just like a gift shop.
Yeah, basically,
Okay.
it's like a boutique.
Okay.
They're one of our good sponsors.
And where can people go to find more information about the West Point Rodeo?
So we have a Facebook page. It is West Point Rodeo Pageant, something of that nature. And so on Facebook, and then there's more information as far as contact phone number. You can message us on Facebook, and we compete. I think this year we're competing the pageants one whole weekend instead of separating it, and it's usually in March. So be looking to have some more information to compete. We would love to have you.
And when does it start? When do they need to sign up?
When the information comes out, sign up as soon as you can.
Great. And how many competitors do you have?
It varies. So it honestly just depends on how many people sign up that year.
Okay, well, it sounds like it's going to be awesome. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you all so much.
Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to the replay viewers. You can go to the American Horse Talk page and join there to get our updates when we go live. And you can join the American Horse Talk group to talk with us. We love to share love of country and love of horse.